beautiful people. Today I'm going to be doing my FabFitFun unboxing. This is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money, but I just wanted to show you guys what I got and I'm really excited. If you don't already know who I am, my name is Shayla and welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and join my journey. So here comes the unboxing. Guys, so I got my box. This is my FabFitFun box. And I've heard that they do, this is my very first one. I heard that every season they sponsor a charity, and this season they're sponsoring the Special Olympics, which I'm super happy about, which is super cool. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So first I see is the magazine that you get. I've heard that you get one with every box. This is a seasonal subscription, so it happens 4 times a year. But yeah, there's the magazine. And then I also got 10 free meals with HelloFresh. And this just talks about all the products and how much they cost. I can put it up there so you guys can stop the video and see. And then this is the other side. I also have a coupon for $15 off your first FabFitFun box, and I can put that code down in the subscription down below so you guys can save some money and get one of your own. And I also got 20% off the bestseller kitchen essential and $50 credit to Wine Love. Now let's get into the goodies. Oh my gosh, guys. So the first thing I got, I think this is one of my items I chose, because okay guys, so depending on if you get the you pay for 4 boxes at once, you get more of a discount and you can choose pretty much all your products. But if you just pay per box every time, then you can choose, like, I think it's like 3 things, and this is one of the things I chose. I chose some really nice designer sunglasses. It's like super nice. It came in this, and then you open it and oh my gosh, guys, if I can, these are so nice, guys. Look at these sunglasses. Oh my gosh. And it came with like a little thing to wipe them. I'm going on vacation soon, so stay tuned for those vacation vlogs, because I'm probably going to vlog every single day, or at least try to while I'm on vacation. So that week there's going to be a lot of videos for you guys to watch, so I'm really excited. But I'm probably going to bring these on vacation because these are super nice. But that's what one of my items that I chose were these sunglasses, and I can tell you how much they are retail for. I'll tell you how much they retail for. This is the brand of the sunglasses. Hope it's not backwards on your guys' side. So the sunglasses retail for $58. So that's a really, really good price I got them for with this box. But that is you could have chosen the sunglasses or a facial vibrating tool to like help with like peach fuzz and stuff. The spiritual it's like a spiritual like flowered robe thing, a wrinkle and anti-aging light device, or rapid collagen infusion like skincare stuff, or a hanging train case, or a ripped sweater coat. So those are the things you could have chose for that option. And let's find another thing I chose. This is another thing I chose. It was Too Faced. It's a sun protecting moisturizer for your face. And it's Too Faced, guys. Everything you get in here is full size. You don't get any sample sizes. They're full size, which is super nice, because I find that with sample sizes, I don't know by the end of using that sample if I actually like it or not, because it's like, I don't know, I just feel like it's not enough to know if I really like it. So it's really nice that these are full size. So that is one of the items I chose. And for this category, let's find that. For this category, you could have chosen a soft focus glow drops, this, a weighted sleep mask, a calm and clean hand and body wash, perk up dry shampoo, blackhead, I think they're like face masks, but I chose this, and this retails for $34. So right between this and this, I've already made my money back with this box, so that's amazingly over the money back on this box, so that's really cool. Let's see, let's find the next thing that I chose, guys. Okay, the next thing I chose, this is another one of my choices, was this Hydra Repair Day Cream for your face. This retails for $49, and it's, I think it's Australian, it looks like. Maybe, I might be wrong, don't take my word for that. But for this category, you could have chosen a set of 3 packing cubes, detoxing pads, this detox facial night cream, cheese board with plate. You could have chosen a crossbody purse, a daisy bracelet. Yeah, so that's what you could have chose. At the beginning I put this on the screen, so if you want to see more of the details and how much they retail for all the items, just make sure that you look at the beginning and just pause it, and you can see all the retail prices of this and stuff. So I'm really excited. I love my skincare, so I'm really excited about that. Let's see what else. The next thing they chose for me, this is what they chose for me, is a Gold Series leave-in mask for hair. So this is supposed to protect your hair from UV damage, which is really cool. I really like that. The next thing they chose for me was a Stone Street Soap House body cream. And this is a really good size. This retails for $25, and this also retails for $39. That is so cool. This is the makeup eraser. That was the next thing they picked for me. It retails for $31. That's really cool. I've heard good things about these, so I'm excited to try it. That's really cool. So that's what I got for that one. My next item is this. Let's see. This is a Humankind, it might be like a body lotion. So that was another pick that they did for me. Oh, this guys retails for $18.50. And then this is a rainbow lip balm for $18. That's what their last pick was for me. I can open it and show you guys what it looks like. So it looks like this. Kind of looks like a giant like silver pill. And that's what the inside looks like. So that's really cool. That is what I got in my FabFitFun box for this summer box. If you guys like this, I will post my boxes when I get them every season. But if you guys have not gotten one already, like, it's so worth the money and you get such amazing products. And I really like that they support foundations and that you get full-size products. I will put my coupon code down in the description. And thank you guys so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and like this video and turn on the notification bell. And I will see you guys at my next video. I love you all, and don't forget that you are worth it and you are enough.